Okay, see this massive building? We're gonna film it today and talk about this. It's on the Plaza dos. It's a game of the place of Oriental games, Oriental Asian games. It says. Okay, let's check it out.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Praça dos Jogos da Asia Oriental, place of Asian games. So they got this big stadium here, and I don't know what it's all going to be about. It looks pretty cool. I don't know what the plan is for this one, but it's the Cotai Strip. Give you a little context. There's a mountain over there, and I'm on a bike. And so I'm going to try to go around the perimeter of it if I can, and then we'll just kind of see what we can find around it. And I wish I knew more information about it, but maybe somebody who views might know a little bit more about it. It looks well manicured, pretty strong fence around it. I guess that makes sense. I guess they don't want the public going in there. Maybe later that will change, I don't know. Not sure how that'll go later. But yeah, the place of Asian games. Looks beautiful though, looks like it's really well manicured. Over here, just to give some context, there's a mountain for one, and there's a prison up there, and there's a church, and a Buddhist temple somewhere up there too that I need to go explore. And then straight ahead over there is all these construction workers, so there's just rows and rows that go all the way down of just massive amounts of temporary housing for construction workers. And then this is our focus right now, is we're kind of on the Cotai Strip area, and then you can see our Cotai Strip of Studio City, Parisian, Londoner, all of them. And probably, wow, look at that, look how well manicured some of these bushes are. It's like they spend a lot of time manicuring that and nobody really sees it or knows it. Must take a lot of work to manicure it just right like that. Huh, pretty cool. Huh. And then up here is the monorail line, so you can travel around in Macau through this monorail, through the Cotai Strip in particular. It'll take you to the airport. Let me just focus on this. But that'll take you to the, I'll focus on both. It'll take you to the airport, the ferry terminal. It'll take you to Lotus Immigration Point, which is right over there. And that'll take you to Zhuhai, China. And then the other ones takes you to the, there's planes, ferries, or land crossing, bridge crossing, bus, or car. So yeah, so that monorail will take you to all that. And there's a stop here for this one, for this particular place. And I think we're gonna be going by it in a minute. So yeah, lots of new things all the time in Macau. It's hard to even put it in context because I don't really, I haven't seen any of this stuff in use yet. But I'm sure someday it will be, and then probably this whole thing will be transformed into something way different. But until that happens, it's hard to know what it's gonna look like exactly. That right there is the station for this this place. And I think that this station is not in operation. There's one of the stations that's not in operation right now, and I think it's this one. So if you take this train line, if we see one that goes by, we'll see if it even stops. I don't see any trains coming right now. That's the other thing too, it's COVID, so the trains are not really used because it's kind of set up for tourists coming in and out of the city. So they don't really have, so I went up there the other day and I had to wait. One train was like 24 minutes, the other was like 15 minutes. So I was like, I'll just go down and take a bus, or I'll walk. I think that day I took a bus because I was... Okay. Huh. So it looks pretty cool. Might be the perfect stopping spot. I don't even know what this is. Centro de... I don't know what that building is. Looks like it's connected by a little thing. I might go around and try to find out what that is, and if it's worth a video in itself, I'll create one for it. Anyways.
queridinha.